Hi guys, Spartan765 here today. Today I'm doing a video review on the Kobra red dot sight. This particular sight right here, I'm going to show you the box. Not going to go too much into the box though, because I don't really care about the box, care about the sight. That's the box. Good enough. Now the Kobra red dot sight is a Russian zero magnification, or one-time magnification you could say, red dot sight. Now, and they fit on the AK, the SVD, anything with that side mount right there. Now you'll look at this right away and you'll be like, why the hell would anybody want that? The EOTech is a much smaller and compact sight. Yes, but there's some things that this particular optic lends itself to a little bit better than the EOTech. This sight has been, in the reviews and the durability test, this sight has been proven to be a little bit more durable. It's got the sunshade right up here, which you can take on and off, which definitely aids in your shooting if you're right in the sun. Makes the reticle a little bit easier to see. Now, it does have like 20 or something levels of brightness, so even in the sunny day where it's clear out and there's snow on the ground, you can still see the reticle, which is nice. It's got 4 different reticles. Think here you got the, I don't know what you'd call it, the half plus sign, where it's just strictly a CQB sight, like under 50 meters. Then you've got the chevron by itself, the chevron with the dot, and then the little dot, the 1 mil dot, which is nice for shooting at longer ranges for target shooting. The weapon sight itself runs on your standard quick detach mount. It just slides right off. It is adjustable because for those AK fanatics out there, you probably know that depending on where the rail was made, there are going to be variations in the rail. There is a standard, but it's not followed by some manufacturers. Like this particular side rail on this AK is a little bit undersized. Like, let's say a Yugo, a mil-spec Yugo side rail, or a Russian side rail, a Bulgarian side rail, which is shitty. You know, it's a little bit undersized, but you can adjust the mounting bracket, or the actual bracket itself, so it does lock down nice and tight. And this is my match grade Lancaster, which it'll go nice on. I haven't fired the weapon yet with this optic on there, but that'll come later. As far as your controls do go, you got a pretty basic on-off switch. You got your reticle selection switch right here, and then your brightness. Sorry for the crappy video quality. I'm doing this on the cell phone. Like I said though, the optic is fairly large, but it does lend itself well. And for those of you who are curious, with the Zastava M70 series, where the mounting rail sits back about an inch further and a little bit higher, from what I've noticed, I put this on my M70 and it seems to work just fine. Yeah, it sits back a little bit further, but you got to remember the stock on your M70 is a little bit longer. So it works just fine for me. But others may not. I don't know. I think the Zastava has a very, very tight cheek weld as it sits, just the iron sights, and having that little bit of higher cheek weld makes shooting with a red dot or a raised optic a little bit more comfortable in the Zastava. But that's like the NPAP and the OPAP, that series. Any comments, questions, feel free to send me a message. Spartan765 out.